Welcome and thank you for joining us. For 1 minute, let's sit comfortably in a chair and practice a deep, relaxing breath. So sitting in your chair, your back at the backrest, feet on the floor, and simply breathe. Notice where your breath goes. And exhale. Now this time, inhale through your nose, exhale through your nose. And if you notice your breath going into your chest, place your tongue to the roof of your mouth to slow your breath down. If you wish, you can also place your hand on your belly. Breathe in and imagine filling up your lungs with life-giving oxygen. As you exhale, you release any tension in your muscles. Inhale and exhale. And now on the next inhalation, pay attention to the length of your breath, counting in and then counting out. See if on the next breath you can lengthen your breath maybe by 1 or 2 counts. Pay attention to what's happening inside your body. Now let's breathe in deeply. Exhale through the nose. And one more breath. Inhale. And exhale. And now pay attention to how you're feeling. The power of breath. Thank you for joining.